How to add music to Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, and today in this video I'll demonstrate how to share music on Instagram Notes. Let's begin. To create a note with a song, open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right corner. Then tap your profile icon in the notes section at the top to start writing a new note. Then tap on your profile icon in the notes section at the top to start writing a new note. Type anything you'd like in your note and then tap the music icon to attach a song. You can type in the name of the song you want to use or choose from the suggested songs that appear. Select the portion of the song that you want to use and then tap Done to add it to your note. Once you're finished, tap Share at the top to post your note. When your friends view your note, they'll be able to hear the song you have added. That's all it takes to share music on Instagram Notes. If you don't have access to this feature yet, make sure to keep your Instagram app updated to the newest version to get access as soon as it's available. This is how you can add music to Instagram Notes. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.